Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Binance.com has actually added VET for margin trading. This is not the Binance.us listing that we've all been waiting for. We're still wondering when that is actually going to be. IOST was also thrown in there for margin trading. Now, some of you might think this is good news, and I think VET has pumped a little bit because of this, but in general, I'm not a huge fan of margin trading, leverage trading, futures trading, options trading for any crypto or alt. I feel like they're much more easily manipulated if you actually allow that. So I'm not crazy about this announcement, but it could possibly grow the demand for VET on margin trading if people are willing to bet in its favor. Like I said, I'm generally not too crazy about margin futures, leverage, or option trading for alts or cryptocurrency altogether. I feel like it has massively hurt the overall cryptocurrency market. Remember that CBOE and CME, when they came on in December 2017, that's when the market for Bitcoin really started to tank, dragging everything else with it. So not too crazy about this, but it could signal that more people are actually interested in IOST and VET enough for them to actually support margin trading for IOST and VET. This is honestly like the first big exchange that I've seen actually have any kind of margins, futures, trading, or like leverage options for VET. So it could signal something good, or it could signal something bad. Like the Bitcoin futures thing was something bad, but the rest of the alts coming on with futures, it does tend to like stymie any kind of real massive bull run, but it could also operate as kind of like an increased demand for the coins that it lists for margins or futures. Maybe this is a signal that Binance.us is going to list VET sooner or later. They just listed Waves. Hopefully they can list VET next, and that's what we're all waiting for. But I guess something that you can think about, do you think this is good for VET? Do you think this is bad for VET? Myself, I'm kind of neutral on this because it could tell me that people are interested in VET and IOST, but it also could be that like margin trading eventually hurts VET on a bull run. But that is yet to be seen. And it really depends on like how much you can actually leverage with these margin trades. Not a huge fan once again, but not too bad either. So hopefully this is kind of precedes a Binance.us listing, because I think a Binance.us listing would definitely help Vechain get the liquidity it actually needs. Binance.com, once again, doesn't really have fiat pairs. Plus, it's not really available in the United States, or not supposed to be available in the United States. So you can't really trade with the insurance that your money is safe. If you are a US customer on Binance.com, you would have to use Binance.us. And it's not there yet. So hopefully, if a lot of people start trading on VET, Binance.us will see that they're losing a lot of fees and stuff, not listing VET, and hopefully they will list VET sooner or later. So that's the news on VET. Let me know what you think. Do you think this is a good thing, a bad thing? Let me know in the comments. And join me on my daily streams. Thank you and have a nice day.